Hi guys! So for today's vlog, after naming i-drop off si Sky sa groomer, so ayan, dumiretso na kami dito sa Denny's for breakfast. So meron sila ditong cafe americano, and then iba't ibang klaseng coffee and tea. So ayan, and water and ice. So, ayan, si G-Style and Simply Giro, inaantay yung mga order namin. So, dumating na yung French toast na in-order namin. At ito yung sausage, and merong soup, and egg, and bacon for breakfast, syempre. So, ayan. At may juice para kay Giro. And after that, umorder kami ng dessert. So, ito yung dessert, and kakain na kami, guys. So, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time, guys. Bye-bye.